You never see this on my channel. Today is the day, no secret. Hello guys from my street Iacopelli. I'm super excited. Look at this pizza al tegamino, something new. I don't want to waste your time. Get the pan or get in the kitchen and go ahead and make this beast. Take a look. This is the most insane pizza al padellino that you can ever taste. Here we made 3 different special ones. The spicy, the something new, and the vegan one. Insane ingredients. Go ahead, smash the like. I want to see your comment at the end of this video. Let's start everything from the beginning, from the recipe. And this is going to be fantastic, guys. I'm super excited because this pizza is going to be pizza al tegamino. This is the tegamino. In English is like a little pan, you know. But anyway, everything starts from the poolish. Prepare the poolish with 300 grams of water, 300 grams of flour, 5 grams of honey, 5 grams of yeast. Super easy. Mix everything and then keep it at room temperature 1 hour to 16 to 24 hours in the fridge. And then boom, here we go, the poolish. So let's go ahead, let's start. I'm gonna start right away. Let's go ahead, let's add directly the poolish in the mixer. For this recipe, we're going to use, it's a super simple and easy. Go ahead and make this recipe at home and remember to tag me on Instagram and subscribe. Let's go ahead and let's add 820 grams of flour in the mixer. Close the machine, speed number 1, and let's get everything together. Mix for about 20 seconds. Now, grab 500 milliliters of water, or 500 grams. It's the same, guys. So let's go ahead and let's add just half amount of the water. You don't have to be precise, just half amount. Let's mix everything for about 10 seconds. Now let's add 30 grams of salt. And now we wait about 2 minutes. The time to get everything together. Now, like you can see, the dough machine is sketching all the flour from the side, is working really hard. Like you can see, the dough is getting all of one piece. Now is the time where we add more water, little by little, and speed up the machine a little bit more fast. So let's go ahead and let's add the water on top of the dough. Little by little, guys, otherwise we are going to destroy the gluten. The secret is to build the gluten properly, especially for this pizza, because for this pizza we want to have a nice texture of soft and crunchy in the same time and full of a nice sponge texture, because this is a gourmet pizza. We have to repeat this until we finish this water and the dough is ready. Okay guys, the dough is almost ready. That's the last final touch of water. Move the machine a little bit. Here we go. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the bottom. Let's see. With a few seconds it gets all together. And then boom. The dough is lovely ready. Grab the dough. Nice and strong. I mean, oh my God. That's what we want. Look at this. What is this? Glue? My gosh. I'm excited. It's very important to build the gluten like this for this dough. It's hard because it's like a really high hydration. But nothing is impossible. So now, olive oil on top. Tap your hands. Look at this. Now, pay attention. Let's get some space here. And let's open up the gluten, the dough. That's what we want. Nice. Come here. Look at this. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. That's what we want to do. So, open everything and then flip it inside. Flip it inside. Nice. Now, make sure to make a nice ball, nice and tight. Let's grab a container like this. It needs to be tight and tall. Olive oil inside. Spread everything inside here. Voila. Get the dough and put the dough inside the container. Voila. Grab a little bit of plastic wrap. Cover it. Make sure it's nice and covered. We don't want to have any air inside. And now we have 2 options here. So for best results, keep the dough right now, right away in the fridge for 16 to 24 hours. So tomorrow we're going to make the dough. This way it grows nice and slowly and gives a nice texture to the end. Or you keep the dough at the room temperature for 4 hours and it's ready for the second step. In my case, because I want to make really the best, I'm going to go ahead and let it rest for 16 to 24 hours in the fridge. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Just wake up. Joking. Joking. Here we go. Let's get a scale. Let's grab the dough. And like you can see, come here. Show these friends here what we are talking about. Look at this. Nice. Fantastic. It's growing. For this recipe, we're going to use like 3 pans. It depends how thick you want the pizza. If you want it thick, if you want it thin. Let's grab olive oil. Put it on the counter. A little bit of olive oil on your hands. And then keep in mind the top part on top. So let's go ahead, whoa, wow, take a look. So now, at this point, the goal here is to take out the oil from the dough. Like you can see, it's very nervous, it goes back, boom, 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 boom. So let's go ahead and cut the dough in 3 pieces. You can make it 350 because I want to have a nice air pocket inside. So let's grab 350 grams of dough. Let's make a ball. So this is how you're gonna make the dough balls. Go ahead and flip it over inside, inside, inside until it's nice and tight. And then flip it over. Keep it there. So grab the containers, the way you're gonna put the dough. Now grab a little bit of olive oil, put it in the pan. All pans, voila. Make sure you put the olive oil everywhere. So now pay attention. Go ahead, grab the dough and put it on top inside the pan. Here we go. Same thing on this. Grab a little bit of a plastic wrap and then just land it down on top of the dough. We don't want to, make sure we don't want to seal it. Just a little bit to net this way the dough doesn't get dry. So now we let it rest the dough at room temperature for 2 hours. But it depends. This time frame might change because it can grow faster or not. Depends how hot or cold it is. The more hot, the faster it will grow. So for now, let's go ahead and let's get ready with all the ingredients that we need to make this pizza. Something very important, you can easily cook this pizza in a home oven because it's super easy. Okay guys, 2 hours passed by and like you can see, let me put this way because today is going to be outstanding because today we're not making cheese pizza, we're making a gourmet pizza with different ingredients and this is the dough. Look at this, how lovely it is. And then the dough double up, ooh, nice and strong. The dough double up the side, but let me explain you a little bit what we're gonna make here. So, on this pizza, we're gonna make a nice spicy pizza with andouille calabrese, with a spicy salami and fresh mozzarella. At the second pizza, we're going to use a nice burger, just meat, and a little bit of salt, fresh hummus, pistachio, and fresh mozzarella. For the third pizza, we're going to make one of my favorite, roasted mushroom with a little bit of parsley, nice in the oven, really quick, grated orange, and a nice little salad on top. Okay, let's go ahead and let's get ready with the nice pizza dough. But guys, before starting, get ready with the oven. We want the oven at 300 Celsius. So if you are cooking at home, just put it at the max temperature and that's gonna be really good. But actually, this is one of the best recipes to make it at home. So let's go ahead, little bit of olive oil on top. We're gonna make all 3 together. So now, pay attention. What I like to do, I like to put some mixed seeds on top. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Just dump right there, don't worry about. Right there, just to give it a nice texture on the dough. And this is how it looks like. Let's get the ends inside the dough. So this is how you stretch this pizza. Lightly, you just wanna press. And then if it's sticking in your hands, put your hands inside the olive oil. That's it. Just press and then make the pizza the size of the pan. Here we go, guys. The secret of this pizza is this. You want to part bake this about 50 to 60%. So let's go ahead and let's put this beast in the oven. So now we wait about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes pass by and this is, oh my gosh, take a look of the how we grow. I double up the side, and that's the goal that we want to. 2 and 3. Did you see they're still white? Because we are going to finish those pizzas right now. Let's check out the bottom. Did you see the bottom? Ooh, lovely, super light. Wow. So let's go ahead with the first one. We're gonna make this pizza with, put a generous amount of andouille. Be careful because the andouille, it's a little spicy. And also, the good thing of this pizza is that you can make a lot of bases and let it cool down and put it in the fridge and use the day after. Man, look at this, how soft it is. Insane. Now we're gonna put spicy salami. This is gonna be hot. And then to finish, let's add the fresh mozzarella cut this way. The first pizza, it's ready to go in the oven. And here we go, the second one. Let's put a generous amount of hummus. Also, this is gonna be insane, the flavor. Just lightly go ahead and don't spread it all the way. We wanna have like a little bit of chunks on top. Then we put our meat. Make sure it goes on top of the pizza. We don't wanna put too much, otherwise it's gonna go all outside. We wanna have the meat on the pizza. Then we put some grana cheese on top, just everywhere. And to finish, same thing here. We're gonna go ahead and put some nice fresh mozzarella. And here we go, the number 2. Let's finish up the last one. Let's go ahead and let's put our nicely mushroom everywhere. Just do this. Just do this. Let's go ahead a little bit of olive oil on this. And now we're gonna go ahead and finish this outside when it's ready. Okay guys, the moment of the truth. Let's not judge yet, wait until the end, and let's go ahead and let's put those beasts in the oven. At the end of this video, I want to see your comment below, which one you prefer. Okay, let's go ahead and let's cook the pizza for another 10 minutes, little bit lower temperature, around 250, it's good. So let's go ahead and let's finish up those pizza right here. Boom, I'm gonna keep the oven open because the oven right now is at 300. I wanna get those pizza cooked really slow because the slowest you cook, the more crunchy they will become. And here we go, guys. The pizzas. Woo, man, take a look. The number 3, it's ready. Almost. We're gonna finish up. Number 1, it's complete, spicy. Mozzarella starts to bubbling. That means it's ready. Woo. So close up the oven. Oh my gosh. Woo! Wow. You gotta hear this. You're gonna hear this. Shh. Oh my God. Wow. Those pizzas are empty inside. So let's go ahead. Let's take it out from the pan. Ooh, take a look. Boom. 1. Whoa. Whoa. Look the crunch right there. Insane. Insane texture, guys. Insane. And the spicy one. Boom. There's gonna be spicy. So let's go ahead and let's complete those pizzas. The burger pizza, let's put a little bit of grated pistachio on top. Let's finish up the spicy pizza with a little bit of fresh basil on top. I wanna put like a drizzle of honey on top. Not too much, just to give it a nice little sweetness on the spiciest. Insane. And then the vegan pizza. Let's put a nice amount of salad on top. And then, believe it or not, just the outside part to get a nice texture. Now a little bit of olive oil and to finish a pinch of salt. Done, guys. I present you the 3 most insane pizza al padellino. Tell me what you think in the comment. But now let's go ahead and let's open up those pizzas. So the moment of the truth, guys. Let's cut this pizza and let's see the inside. Let's get ready for the crunch. Get ready with the phone. Ready? 1, 2, spatapam. Lovely, insane, soft and crunchy texture. Wow. Let's go ahead. We have to serve these pizzas like this. I'll show you right now. Look at this. The perfect slice of pizza. Now tell me, you want to eat this? Or you just want to keep it there as a piece of art? This was more easy to cut. Oh, come here. Get this. Boom. Oh my God. Get that on the camera. You got it? Ooh. The most spicy one. Boom. Woo. We have to cut this in 6, guys, because this is gonna be spicy as hell. Guys, we have some guests here today that they're gonna try the pizza. Venite qua. We're gonna see what they think.
Ciao amici.
Ciao Luigi.
Bellissimo.
Luigi, cioè, guarda qua.
Che spettacolo.
Soft and crunchy. Oh, vieni qua, come here. Where you going? Don't escape, come here. Aspettate, wait. Let me finish this because...
What's up, guys?
How are you, my friend?
Very well.
This is how you serve the pizzas, guys. Take a look. Boom, 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 baby. We got on the left side a culinary artist, a master of coffee, Luigi Cipone and Francesco. We got the name there, I don't remember. So you guys choose which one you want to taste. I want to see your comment. I want to see your face. I want to taste a little bit of this, a little bit of this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a little piece of this. The big for you, right there, boom. One is for me too. Aspetta.
With meat.
Meat, the burger pizza, the burger. Siete pronti? I want to get your honest opinion. Hold on, I'm going to taste a little bit of this one. The fresh vegan pizza. Ready? Take a look, soft. Chin chin, guys.
Cin,
Cin, cin.
Let's taste and see how they are.
Buono.
Wow.
Buono. Bel cazzo il baffo.
Number one. No.
Top player.
Spicy?
Senso.
Well, this is really good. The freshness
Anduia.
of the orange. Let me
La
taste the
dieta.
spicy one.
Finita la dieta.
Buono. Bellissimo.
Top.
The honey, the miele, with the spicy. The texture of this dough. I think I have to say this. I find my new best pizza recipe in all my YouTube channel. Not joking. Guys, thank you so much. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy
you
these
to you.
pizzas, and I'll see you in the next
you
one.
too.
Every week, new video. Ciao.